Originally used in psychiatry and therapy clinics to help children with a variety of disorders, like autism and attention deficit/hyperactive disorder, weighted blankets are now readily available on the market and have become quite popular with kids of all ages. With an extensive list of benefits, these heavy blankets are proven to calm anxiety and promote better sleep. If your kid tends to have trouble falling asleep at night or gets anxious easily, consider investing in a weighted blanket and see if it eases some of their anxiety. With many weighted blankets costing well over $100, it's essential that you carefully choose the right one. Keep in mind that these blankets are specialized items that are proven to show positive results. To help you sift through the countless brands selling these nifty blankets, we've put together a list of the top weighted blankets for kids in 2023. Number 1. MAXTID Weighted Blanket for Kids. What makes this weighted blanket by MAXTID our best overall choice is its soft, polyester fabric and its high-precision design. The fabric is cuddly and has a sensory input which will help improve your child's sleep cycle and have a positive impact on their mental and physical development. The standard blanket weighs 5 pounds, which is ideal for regular use. Plus, you can choose from 2, 3, 4, 7 and 10-pound options depending on your child's weight and preference. What's more, this high-quality weighted blanket is machine washable and convenient to clean. Plus, a unique stitching process allows you and your child to easily fold the blanket up after use. Number 2. SIVIO Weighted Blanket for Kids. This weighted blanket for kids by SIVIO stands out from rest due to its breathable cotton material, which makes it ideal for all kinds of weather. More durable and cooler than a regular blanket, this weighted blanket has a hypoallergenic, odorless, and environmentally friendly filling, which makes it ideal for children. Plus, it will help your child achieve a deeper sleep and calm them down without making them feel too hot. What's more, you can choose from a variety of colors and patterns, making it a breeze to find one that your child loves. Also, because this blanket comes in a variety of sizes, you'll be able to choose the perfect weighted blanket for your child's age and weight. Lastly, it comes with tie loops which allow you to attach a duvet cover to make it extra cozy and warm come winter. Number 3. HOWANUR Weighted Blanket for Kids. If your child tends to get hot at night or sweats a lot, consider this weighted blanket by HOWANUR. Made of breathable cotton, this temperature-controlled weighted blanket will keep your kid cool throughout the night. Designed for kids between the ages of 4 and 15, you can choose from the different sizes depending on the weight and size of your child. What's more, this handy blanket comes in 4 colors and patterns to choose from, including space blue, navy dinosaurs, and pink unicorns. With these festive, fun patterns to choose from, your kid will love sleeping beneath their blanket, while also getting a better night's rest. Plus, the company provides a 30-day refund so you can purchase this blanket worry-free. Number 4. JOYCHING Weighted Blanket for Kids. Another one of our favorites is this weighted blanket for kids by JOYCHING. Featuring a specialized deep touch pressure technology that helps distribute the weight evenly, this weighted blanket helps reduce and mitigate stressful and anxious moments. Plus, it features a reversible design, which many kids find fun. Made of extremely soft and hypoallergenic microfiber, this blanket is ideal for all weather conditions. It keeps kids cool during summer, but ensures that they stay warm in the winter. You can even attach a duvet cover to this blanket for added warmth, if needed. This delicate blanket needs to be washed by hand to ensure longevity. As an added bonus, the manufacturer provides a 30-day free replacement policy. Number 5. BUZIO Weighted Blanket for Kids. Last but not least, this weighted blanket for kids by BUZIO is a great option for those who are looking for a soft, fleece fabric. This weighted blanket's fabric is extremely smooth and you can conveniently wash it in the machine without the fabric pilling, shedding or shrinking. Completely safe for kids, this fuzzy and warm material will imitate the feeling of a hug, which can greatly improve your child's sleep quality as well as their mental and physical development. What's more, the 7-layer structure is filled with non-toxic, odorless glass beads and it features an anti-leakage protection, which ensures that the weight is distributed evenly throughout. Plus, this weighted blanket comes in a wide variety of sizes, colors, and patterns so you can choose the one that your child loves. Made of extremely soft and hypoallergenic microfiber, this blanket is ideal for all weather conditions. It keeps kids cool during summer, but ensures that they stay warm in the winter. You can even attach a duvet cover to this blanket for added warmth, if needed. This delicate blanket needs to be washed by hand to ensure longevity. As an added bonus, the manufacturer provides a 30-day free replacement policy.